How much are you making total?
65K in the last 30 days. But yesterday was fire, bro. Bro, 5K day in TikTok shop.
When did you start this whole thing?
A month ago. The views is basically like one sale per 1,000 views.
How much of that is profit?
Like around 20-25% or something like that.
How much are you making total?
65K in the last 30 days.
65K?
65K, yeah.
When did you start this whole thing?
A month ago. I started for 14th of October, and right now it's 14th of November.
Like literally a month ago.
Yeah, literally a month ago. Like yesterday was 5K day, and I've been doing like I was like about 60K, but yesterday 5K day, so 65. Yeah, this is about 14th of October to 12th of November, but like the quality is so bad, and
no, if you don't move it, if your hand is not going to shake, yeah, it's visible. Maybe you can refresh as well for people.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but basically, yeah. This is 60K and yesterday 5K, so yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel good because like I've been doing TikTok shop like since I would say May, something like that, but here in Spain. I'm from Spain, so I've been doing TikTok shop here in Spain, and the results I never seen like these results in the USA. Here in Spain, the most money that I made was in profit. I'm talking like around 1K and a half in profit, and that was like 15K in a month, like here in Spain. But like the USA, bro, the conversion is crazy. Like the views is basically like one sale per 1,000 views, basically. Like
one sale per 1,000 views.
Yeah.
So
yeah,
1,000 sales per million.
Yeah, like 40K per million, something like that.
Yeah, that's insane. Yeah, no, it is crazy. But wait, walk me through the whole journey. When did you start with affiliate by itself? When did you start with this product? When did you start with us?
With the program, I started like 1 year and a half ago. I've been doing, first of all, like I was starting with dropshipping. And it's insane because at the beginning, like, was crazy. Because, like, just with the beginner of the products, I don't know if you remember, like, the Moonball, that product. Yeah, just I got that product at the beginning and was basically going viral everywhere with the product. Like, I just hit, like, a video with 13 million views in YouTube, TikTok show, I mean, TikTok. And it was crazy. It was like, okay, what the fuck is this happening? Like, I didn't expect something like that. I saw other people and was like, okay, I expect, like, to go viral, like, 2 months or 3 months. Like was around 300 videos to just go viral. I was like, okay. But like at the 15 video or something like that, I just started going viral. Then I started picking other products, and I got like another product which like it's known in the dropshipping space, which is like the Minecraft cubes. And yeah, that product made me 30K. Like it's the second product I tested in dropshipping. I was like super crazy because like I made it work again. But I wasn't putting the work so much because I was posting like one video per day or per 2 days. It was so bad, but the videos were taking me like a lot of time, you know? Yeah, like I made that work, and I didn't test any products, just doing that product. And since that, just bro, we entered Black Friday of 2023, I guess, yeah. And I have another brand, you know, like the Wallet brand that I show you other times.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's amazing Black Friday because we take care of the manufacturing process, and I can handle other things just than that. So I entered that Q4 and I couldn't handle any other thing. Oh, sorry, this is 24, the last year. Since that, I didn't make drop shipping since like March, something like that of this year. I entered drop shipping. I didn't make anything work. I was frustrating. Like I don't know what to do. And I was talking to Pepe, and he recommended me, okay, start TikTok shop, bro. Like it's right now, everyone is doing TikTok shop. So start doing TikTok shop, and I entered here in Spain. I started making money, like not super crazy. And yeah, basically, bro, I'm switched to USA right now with the books to us, and it's crazy right now. So
it is insane. And it's fully done with AI, or is it face content?
UGC, everything UGC. Yeah, I've been doing UGC since the beginning.
You started with this one specific brand a month ago. You've been trying this whole thing for a while. And shop, you started when exactly, you said?
In May. I started in May, and with the typical tech products like the car charger or those GPS, whatever, you know, I made a couple of $1,000 with that, but not that crazy amount with sales with the USA.
What do you think made the difference with this one here?
I learned so much this last month, and basically right now I'm posting around 4 to 8 videos a day.
Mhm.
And the consistency is super important, and also like the quality of the videos. So basically like first the quality of the videos, and then like the amount of videos you can do. Like for example, I get like a concept, and that concept I don't just do that concept. I just like try to do like 2 to 3 hooks per concept, so I can like prove the concept if it works or not properly. It's so much important. Like obviously focus on a content which like obviously works and you believe it works, and do a lot of videos with that basically.
So the volume would changed, but what about the content style itself was different?
Yeah, I think yeah, this product fits me super well because for example, I live like I don't know, in the field. Like I don't know how to say properly in English, but
Yeah,
like in a finca. I don't know how to say properly in English, but it's like a
I
house
get,
in,
yeah,
yeah.
in the nature
So
basically.
in the nature, yeah, we can say. And yeah, the product fits me so well because it's like remedies, for people in a book. So I learned so much also about UGC doing this product in terms
Hmm.
of like communicating to the camera, like how confident you talk to the camera. Also making sure like you target the specific people. Like on my videos, which like the goal of TikTok Shop basically for all TikTok Shop creator is to target people plus 40 years old.
Hmm.
Like all my analytics are plus 40 years old. Like
Yeah, that's what converts the best. So, okay, was the plan here to stick to UGC? Do you plan on transferring to the AI content as well, or is the main thing for you UGC?
right now, I plan to stick to USC. What do you think about AI right now in terms of like content?
Yeah, no, it's just that like obviously UGC is still better if you can do it, but you have to keep in mind that like soon the skill is going to be trash because AI is going to be too good, you know? Like I would just be annoyed by UGC by doing UGC. It's like the
Fuck.
comparison the comparison would be like, okay, you could go to the gym and
Yeah.
imagine you know yourself for sure in 1 or 2 years there's going to be a steroid which has zero health risks. It's the most healthy thing ever. You can just inject it and you get big instantly. Why the fuck do you go to the gym now? Like, sure, go ahead. For now, it's good, but like you're in the wrong boat, man. Like you're doing the wrong thing. You know what I mean? Like if you fully understand, okay, I'm doing something which is doing really well right now and it's a really
Yeah.
good skill, it's not going to be worth anything in a year or two. So that's kind of like the reality of it. In my opinion, you shouldn't hold on to it fully because it's going to go away. And you should just be like, like dabbling, be at the edge of it happening, I think it's
Yeah.
it's pretty important just to be around the whole AI things and learn how to prompt, learn how to use the AI tools, and just like have done it for a few months so you can actually get started with it properly when it's going to basically take over your GC. But like right now, of course, it's still better to make these
Hmm.
videos, but it's like, it's gonna go. Like if you look at the AI a year ago
Yeah.
versus now, and then now compare what's gonna happen in a year, like it's pretty predictable.
Yeah, I'm about to like starting like trying different type of things with AI. I have a brother like he's also getting to the AI to do TikTok
Yeah,
shop, so
yeah.
that's basically yeah our plan. Like I will keep doing UGC and start to try different type of things with
Mhm.
AI. But yeah, it's crazy right now. Like my brother just make an ad last week about a product, and the realism of like the picture of the dude is like, bro, this is not AI. This is like a dude. Like everyone can notice like the difference. It's
Yeah.
crazy. Yeah.
Did you do all of this full time for a while now? Are you doing full time dropshipping for how long?
Like as I said, like I have this wallet brand, so basically I doing full time drop shipping. Like aside from this brand, which I take care of, like sometimes ads, the web management or the fabrication process, because like it's something like it's a headache that I had to take care of that. Like I don't know still how, but yeah, it's something that I had to take care of.
Yeah,
Like
I feel like the brand is something which we should try. Like, are you doing it on shop as well?
on shop, no. No, it's like I thought about that, but it's like there are multiple designs. Like we have like 1,000 designs on the website, so I just thought maybe like the most selling designs, maybe to put it on shop, maybe. But what do you think though?
I think you should try for sure because you have like 80% of it done. You have the shop stuff already there, or the brand stuff already there. You have the inventory, you have everything. I think the hardest part is done. And like just putting it on shop is pretty easy and doing some content is also not hard. And then also like we can set you up with creators from the program and can have a few people
Hmm.
posting for you, like the same thing as you're doing for Tomas, other people can do it for your brand, and I feel like it could make a lot of sense. This is something which like after the case study, let's talk a little bit. I think it makes sense.
Yeah, that would be awesome, bro. That would be awesome. Like I was thinking about it, like not just this brand, but in general, have creators to scale somehow this, like to go big, like big,
Yeah.
big, big.
Yeah. We can make that work for sure. Did you tell your friends and parents and family like how is everyone going about this? Or is this nothing new because you already made a little bit of money before with dropshipping, so the hype is not that big? Or like in general, what do you talk about to them?
Obviously the hype was like every sale I get for the product is like $10. So obviously
Yeah.
the hype is good. 'Cause, for example, yesterday I saw like 132 units. So it's basically 1K and 30. So basically in
Yeah.
profit a day, you
Yeah.
know? So it's like, obviously I didn't make this kind of money before with any drop shipping. It's still like, this is in profit. I think will feel more real in the moment I will spend the money. Because right now I'm so like, how to say this, so picky in terms of like where I spend my money, right now. So I think will be more the time when I have more money, and when you spend the money, it feels like okay, yeah, like no one cares. Like,
Well, is there something specific you would want to buy and you didn't pull the trigger?
yeah, first a webcam, first a
Oh,
webcam right
webcam.
now, because this quality shit. And yeah, maybe a MacBook, so something like that.
Bro, go ahead. This is not a problem. You made well over 10K last month in pure profit, well over 10K, so it shouldn't be an issue at all. Are you doing all of this by yourself?
Yeah, so basically, the right now I'm doing like I have a lot other things to do in the day, and the task of like filming, I do everything by myself, like planning the videos and everything, and then editing, like I get help by sister, which like some of the videos, yes, I handle them the clips to my sister, and he edited the videos with me, basically. Yeah, it's so much better. Like it helps me a lot in terms of like saving time because I couldn't make 8 videos a day, or I sometimes
Yeah.
I did 12 videos, so it's like yeah. That's what I do, yeah. In terms, yeah, or in terms of like delegating that stuff, how would you do it? Because like I asked some fabrication manufacturers, and they obviously give me some samples, but the samples were shit. Like, do you still continue with them, like correcting the things to do with the business, with the product, or
Wait,
or
with a supplier, that shit?
yeah, like in terms of like the product that he sent you about, I'm talking about the wire business. Like I was asking for samples to see the quality of the fabric, and it was bullshit. So I don't know if you keep talking to them to improve the product, or you just pass to another fabric.
You pass to the next one. Like if you've worked with them and everything was fine, they just messed up one thing, then no. But like if we usually pass on right away.
So basically, bro, about AI, yeah, you recommend me to switch like in the future, basically.
Yeah, not switch in the future. I just want you to be on top of it. I just want you to be like aware of everything and like be doing like mixing videos
Hmm.
in which are AI style, you know. Open one account which is with AI, get your brother to do something like be in
Yeah.
there, you know. Because it's just the right boat to be in. That's all. This is the most obvious call of the center that it's gonna blow up.
Yeah. How do you are implementing like AI right now to your business, to the mentorship?
The mentorship is an interesting one. The main thing we're obviously doing is we're being on top of all the tools, which are the best right now. And we kind of started having like a little, basically like one database where all the best tools which are happening right now are updated. So for example, 2 weeks ago and 4 weeks ago, we literally recommended different tools, and today we're recommending different tools again. Every
Yeah.
few weeks, the whole game changes because it's such a fast-moving thing, and it's kind of hard to get track of them and like to keep track of them. And what we started doing is we have like a database where we see what's doing the best right now, which student is using which AI tool, and which one is doing better. And we just figured out like how to keep track of that. So that was like probably the biggest change. Now in terms of all the other things, obviously like we have like custom GPTs and stuff like that. But overall, I know the whole thing is going to be taking over everything. So I just want to make sure we're using it as much as possible because I just want to learn it, you know?
Yeah, I have to do something. Like every time that you post a video with Mikey doing AI stuff, it's like I get FOMO, bro, and it's like I have
Yeah.
to do something.
Yeah. It would probably even be a mistake to stop doing UGC for you. Like for sure it will
Yeah,
be a mistake. It's doing really good. But like it's just all I'm saying. The skill is trash soon. And it pisses me off as well. I'm making a YouTube video right now, like the trash skill. But whatever. It is what it is.
Yeah, in the future you will put like an avatar, like
Yeah,
doing the
yeah,
interview,
yeah,
something
yeah,
like that.
yeah, exactly. What do you think, for you personally, what was the most helpful about the mentorship itself?
Obviously the calls with Pepe, also with Tristan, like you do see, like the dude is so creative, like Tristan.
Yeah, yeah.
Also Pepe, like the basic stuff of the videos, like in terms of like the concept, in terms of like how are you talking or something like that, basic stuff about
Mhm.
the videos. But I would say the calls like are the most helpful thing about the program.
And this is something which we kind of like, it was pretty tough to figure out how to scale a mentorship program with one-on-one calls because it's not an easy thing to do to have like a lot of students and everyone gets one-on-one calls because we need like, it's a one-on-one thing. The thing we started doing is like hiring the top performing students and having them as coaches. It was the best thing we ever did. It is such a good structure on just having like people who were like who just did the exact thing, the best out of the whole thing. How about they have the calls with everyone else? So, and everyone enjoys it because for the coaches, it's so much fun to see the beginners do well and have like such a crazy network. They get creators. They're just like
Yeah.
network aspect for a coach is really, really high. And then for the students, it's obviously the best thing ever.
Something that I feel is like in the past I didn't took too many calls because I thought that maybe I can try this, I can try that, and I can say like take the most calls you can because like
Yeah.
sometimes I was like okay I can try this thing or I can try this other thing like in terms of like I'm trying to make this a product work and it's like okay I have these options or maybe I try these different options going into a call. It's like okay I can do this other option and this other option before going to the call, but basically I would say like have the most calls possible through the week in
Yeah.
terms of like it's going to help the most because it was some that's why it helped me also like having less calls because I thought I had the solution or something to
Mhm.
try new else.
Yeah, we have a lot of people like that. Mikey is the same. He like always tries to figure shit out by himself first. Then he realizes, well, fuck. And then he asks only too late. So yeah, this is something which I've also always seen. Like the calls are there to ask us before anything you did. Like you shouldn't try a million things and then there's no solution and then you come to us and ask us and then we just tell you what to do and it's like, oh, I could have done this in the first place. So
Yeah.
it's always important to like just not have any ego involved and just ask right away without any problems.
Yeah, I mean,
Um,
I would say like try those things that you are thinking, but obviously talk with the mentors because it's going to
yes,
help the most.
of
Like
course.
I had a couple of things in terms of like the videos right now about how I've been learning with the product last month, and it's like I talk with the mentors, and also I try those things in terms of like I will used to post 2 videos, and right now I'm posting like even 12 videos one day or something like that. So
Yeah.
it's like try the things that you go through your head in terms of like hooks. I plan a lot of hooks, but when I'm filming, it's like comes to my head like four different hooks and okay I'm going to post them all. That's what I do, so yeah,
Yeah.
like try different things that comes to your head and talk those things with the mentors first.
How would you describe the whole program structure for someone who is not in there?
It's like I would say obviously mentorship, but like it's like a structure. I would say like a hierarchy, like.
What's that?
It's like the hierarchy when like
Oh, hierarchy.
how
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
But yeah, but this is more like it's like a video game. Like when you go through each stage and you were,
Yes.
I remember at the beginning, like you unlock this new mentor and you unlock this new mentor through when you make more money.
Hmm.
So I would say like it's basically like a video game when you like unlocking different phases through
Hmm.
when you are going through your path in terms of like making money. That's how I describe it. Yeah.
No, but for everyone watching right now, if you're interested in joining as well, you can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. Down there. It's basically just walking you through the whole process of finding a product. By the way, we give you a product. You got a product from us, from the brand. We tell you what good content is, how to set up all the account and all the annoying account stuff. And also you basically have a decision to make whether you want to do UGC content versus AI content. You went the
Mhm.
UGC route, which is good, and it works probably even a little bit better if you're really good at it right now, than AI, but you have to be really good at it. And if you're not good at talking in front of the camera and you don't want to do that, then AI is by far the best option. So
Is the way. Yeah.
yeah. With UGC, you can like the range is so much bigger. You can fuck things up so much more, but also if you are really good, then you can make more. And with AI, it's just kind of a stable thing because we just give you prompts, we just tell you like the exact videos, and there's like you just type it. You don't like there's no emotion or like weird expression or how you pronounce things. all of that just falls away because it's just prompts and there's less room for like issues there. So that's kind of the two routes you can go. As I said, click the link below, sign up for a call. We see if it's a good fit.